Shri Iyer wants to come in. Shri Iyer, should this be about politics of giving people clear choices, or do we accept in a parliamentary system where coalitions do work that if one side has a clear choice in terms of leadership, the other side may not, and it may not matter?
India has moved towards a presidential form of governance, because if you look at the 2014 elections, the mandate was for Modi, the candidate. The fact that he belonged to BJP, I think, in my opinion, was secondary. It was Modi that the people chose. And unless the MGB, which some people say is Maha Gadbad Bandhan, get their act together and pose a credible alternative,
okay, Shri Iyer, what would convince you as an individual that at least, whether they win or lose, we don't know, but that at least they've got their act together? What would convince you when you say act together?
Well, you know, they, depending on which side of the bed they get out of, they are making conflicting statements. First off, let them all come together. Choose one person who shall be the spokesperson for the MGB.
Okay.
And let that person come out and come up with a cogent, discourse. Come up with a cogent plan. How they are going to...
Okay, is it wrong for the opposition to say that a large part of our job and the large part of the questioning and the debates should happen on the hisab of the government and not the plans of the opposition?
You know, what is wrong with what Mr. Modi has accomplished? He has accomplished a lot, because what he got was very, very bad economical governance by the previous government. All the NPAs are now come home to roost, and there is so much that he had to undo. For example, the bonds that they had sold to keep the prices of petrol low during the 2014 regime.
So okay.
So nobody says all these
things. Is the economic situation of the country very good in past 4 years?
Okay, let him. Okay,
I think it has deteriorated.
It's not an unreasonable question.
No.
Is that a reasonable question to ask, Shri Iyer?
Yes, it is a reasonable question, but I believe that BJP should also sharpen its messaging.
Okay. Is it about messaging? Is it about substance? I know the debate is still out there. Let's take a breath. Pause for the pause. Shri Iyer, what do we need to do now from either side? What do we need to do? Gentlemen, please. You are being so loud, you can hear in my mic. Hang on. Shri Iyer, how do we create the 10 crore jobs? I will give you a chance as soon as we settle down. Let's take a second. How do we create 10 crore jobs, Shri Iyer, whoever comes to power?
Who promised 10 crore jobs?
Bishop, I am at the World Hindu Congress in Chicago right now, and I just heard an excellent speech by Mr. Mohandas Pai. Mr. Mohandas Pai does not belong to any party. He has rattled off statistics that he has spent a lot of time gathering, and this will be available online. It will show you that jobs are being created, which is why I said that BJP
in the open and say you are supporting Mr. Modi and the BJP.
He is welcome to have whatever opinion he wants to have.
He has an opinion.
Shri Iyer, but that doesn't answer my question.
Don't come in a cover.
It doesn't answer my question. How do we create the jobs? That's not the issue.
I'm coming to that.
That's not the issue.
My goodness.
He's welcome to talk about what he wants to. Okay, let's get back to the substantive points, which is what we're focusing on. Gentlemen, hold on. Come on. No, please, this is ridiculous now. This is ridiculous. Let's get the others in. They don't have the privilege of being in studio. Shri Iyer, how do we create 10 crore jobs?
Jobs are going to get created by the small and medium enterprises.
Come on, yeah, one at a time. Relax, everybody will get a chance.
Tangible steps are, look, small and medium SME sector is the one that's going to create the jobs. And I believe that Sri Gurumurthy's appointment as a non-executive director in RBI points to the fact that serious steps are being taken in the background to make Mudra Let me put that to Rajesh. Hang on, I'm putting it to Rajesh. Rajesh, same question. And Mr. Sumit Chopra should be the last person talking about.
Okay, alright. Before he jumps in also, I'll come to all of you. I've got a couple of minutes left. Rajesh.